Alright, this video will show you how to take a Kahoots quiz whenever you want, just in case it's confusing. So this is a help video. First, you go to Google Classroom and you find where the Kahoots quiz is. So this is Google Classroom. We want to take a practice Kahoots quiz. You click on the link that I provide and it takes you here. And everything seems fine, right? You'll say, yeah, I want to take the Kahoots quiz. What's cool is it'll show you all the questions on the Kahoots quiz. So in this example, there's 12. And you say, I want to play. When you decide which one to do, you must do classic if you're doing this on your own. So you choose the classic option. Now, this part right here is it's giving you what the initial video is for the quiz. It shows you what it looks like. And it gives you a code. It gives you a game pin. You must, in order to be successful, you must take this game pin and copy it. Copy. So you have the game pin copied. Then the next thing to do is open a new tab. So this is it. We got the code. Then go to the new tab and type in Kahoots. Then go to the website. Click play, paste in the code you have, hit enter, put in your name, JJ, and go. Next, once you do that, it says you're in, right? Then you go back to this screen, and if you can see, my name is right here. It says JJ, and you click start on the very first screen. Click start, and then you go back to the other tab and it's going to play for you and you can self-quiz, okay? If you get confused, make sure you go back to learn, replay the video, but you see the question on one screen when taking a restroom break. Which one do you want to do? I'm going to choose the blue option. I got it wrong, but I'm still in first place. Okay, very good. And then I go back to the other tab, I click next. It says phones are blank. So phones are, which option is best? I'm going to choose heroin. Click the other tab, click blue. Oh, I got it wrong again. Then go back. So you go back and forth between these tabs. Go back to this tab, click next again. Don't worry, I'm still first place, right? You're always going to be first place. It says a flipped classroom means an A grade if you can do a backflip. No. YouTube video notes at home, team activities in class. Yes, that is definitely the answer. So I click my other tab and I enter it. Look at that. So it tells me I got the correct answer. I can come back here and it would tell me, oh look, so when you go to the other tab, it'll tell you there's actually 2 correct answers. Click next. Next one more time, and here's the next question. To insert a link into a spreadsheet with only a phone, you must, I'm thinking this one, gold. So I go to my other tab, I click gold. Oh, I didn't get it right this time. But it does tell me the correct answer when I click this tab. So here, whoop, I just exited. All right, well, you get the point. Please watch this video, replay it so you understand, but remember, to do Kahoots, you must open 2 tabs up and go back and forth to hit next, see the question, and answer it to quiz yourself. Good luck. Hope this helps.